Hello, and this is how I got my Discord to look like this. So, what you're gonna have to do is go to this website. I'll leave it in the link description. And you'll have to download this, or you could go here and download it from there as well. And there's going to be themes right here that you could pick out, or you could customize them using these. And some of them you can put like background pictures or a pop-up, but some of them are different depending on what you choose. You can add colors, and you can make the server list right here. You can make it horizontal like that, or if you want, you could just leave it like this. So yeah, some of them you'll have like font customizations, and they won't all be the same, they'll be different. So yeah. So yeah, just download this. I don't really know how to do the manual one, so yeah, just do the auto installers or go here and download that. And once you are done with that, you so when you go back into Discord, there's going to be new settings right here, and it'll say better Discord right here. So there's settings right here, and to get themes, you have to put it in, you get an open theme folder, and then you download it from Better Discord and put it in the folder right here. And it'll install, and then you can enable it or, turn it off, and same goes for plugins. So that's it. I'll leave everything in the description so you can, yeah. So yeah, I hope this video helps, and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.